Welcome everybody. Heartily welcome from Austria. My name is Patrick Stromberger. I'm in this industry over 10 years. We see a lot, we do a lot. We built together with Michael, Borwart and Philip over 1 billion in different companies. And we was tired. Some month ago, we was tired about the scams, the crypto shames. Every time you build, you bring your heart in, your belief in, your full power in, helping the people to build something, and then the company makes some mistakes and we stand here without anything, losing our money. And this is why we're looking for solutions. The last 1 year, 9 months, we're looking for a lot of solutions. And my brother Philip is also here in the call. We're building together 10 years the network marketing industry, building over hundreds of thousands of people. And Philip connected me also to Borut and Michael. We was building together a team and thinking about what we can do, how we can help the people, what is outside. We're looking of hundreds of projects and companies and solutions, what we can build for the peoples. And then we come together last year with Christian Arnold. He's the co-founder from TegasFX. He pay over 9 years the companies on the market, pay the people. This was for us the dream. Why we start in the network industry, not that we jump from one company to another company. We want to build something for the future, where for our friends, for our families, for our children, that we focus one time building hard. And then we have the passive income from where we everybody dream about it, build some huge organization and get the passive income over years. And then we found Christian and he prove us everything, that their company is real, they're paying 9 years, they are full regulated. And yeah, we was really happy to working with him. And then, then our mission was find the right traders where they can helping us. They have the experience. Why we are not the traders, we are the sales guys. They are building and helping. And then my brother Philip helping us to find some huge traders. Stefan, you will see him today also in this presentation. He have experience over 25 years. For sure, in the beginning, he make mistakes also 20 years ago. But now he has a strategy, he has a system, a safety system, where I'm sure we can build here something over decades, over the next 5, 10, 15 years together with these guys. And thank you also to Africa that you bring so much effort the last month here in this, the last days in. We are really happy about it. And today you will see the co-founder of the broker, where the money go. You will see him. He is the co-founder living in Germany, pay the people the last 9 years. You will see the trader, the head of trading, and also my friend Borut and Michael, maybe also my brother. And thank you that you all are here. I'm 100% sure we are on the right place. I stop all other companies, focus 100% here to building something future worth for me, for my family, for my brother, not the next 2-3 years. The plan is here really 10 years, 20 years. And then the interesting part is coming, what we are hearing thousands of times, that bonus effect. When you let the money work over years, something incredible can happening with your wealth, with your passive income. And thank you all of you that you are here. Thank you, Christian Arnold, co-founder, head of sales from TegasFX. The stage is yours. Please show us what you are building amazing for us and the whole community.
Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much. Greets from Germany to Austria. So, yes, so please skip the next slide so we can start with the introducing myself and the page for the broker. Yeah, sure. You can stop here and then you can move on with the slides. So, yeah, good evening, everyone, from my side. So, my name is Chris Arnold. I'm 34 years old and I'm the head of sales and the co-founder at TegasFX, the broker we are talking about tonight. In my role, I'm directly responsible for our international sales and the business development. So, wherever you are in the world, especially now here in Africa or directly in Nigeria, my job is to make sure you understand exactly who we are, okay? What we offer and how you can benefit from working with us. So, First of all, let me start by giving you a clear picture, okay, of TegasFX. What are we doing? So TegasFX, we are an offshore ECN STP broker. We've been in this business now over 10 years. So we are founded in since 2016, and that is something you cannot fake, okay? Because we've built this company on trust. We built this company on solid partnerships and a business model that is very transparent and sustainable. And one of the things I'm personally most proud of is our long-term partnership with the DBS Bank. So we are a partner of the Asia's biggest bank, which holds more than 800 billion US dollar in assets under management. Yeah, more than 800 billions. So this is not a small bank. Yeah, this is the biggest bank in Asia. So think about, yeah, you don't get to work with a financial institution of that size and credibility unless your own operations are rock solid. So this partnership proves we handle our liquidity, we handle our banking and client funds in a professional and secure way. So all the deposits you make in the future are deposit on segregated bank accounts in one of the biggest bank in the world. Okay, so now what does it mean for you as a trader or for you as a follower of copy trading or as a client? When you trade with TegasFX, you will get a real market access. So we are running on the pure ECN STP model, yeah, which means that your trades go directly into the markets. So there's no dealing desk. We are not trading against you. There's no conflict of interest. You trade and we execute. Okay, so our business survives and grows by earning a small spread and earning on the commission on every trade you make. So the more you trade, so more you volume you are generating, the better is that for us and for you, because we can earn more and you can earn more. And that is the reason why we are offer business like instant funding. Okay. So, the next point of from my side is I think there's no slide for that, but not no problem. You can show the next slide, please. Yeah, there's an execution report. You can see that we execute all your trades via order book, so 100% A book. And please show the next slide. Here you can see our partnership, DBS Bank. Yeah, every money you deposit is on the DBS Bank. There's no scammy bank. There's no bank, little bank like I don't know, a bank on any island, shit island on this world. No, no, no. There is a DBS Bank in the back. Okay, and now I will explain you. There's no slide, sorry about that, but I will explain you now what exactly is our new product. Yeah, what is instant funding? This is where I want to be very clear with you because there is so much confusion in the market, yeah, especially when people compare us to so-called prop firms. So we are not a prop firm, okay? You have to know we are not a prop firm. We are 100% broker. So instant funding means that we provide you with the trading capital upfront. You don't have to pass a complex or months-long demo challenge, okay? You don't have to pay for a certificate or a test. You can simply pay or deposit a security fee, yeah, which acts as a risk buffer, and in return, you get access to real live trading account with real money, yeah? So significantly more capital you put in as a risk or security fee, that more capital you will get on your real trading account. So and why do we do this? Yeah, I think it's very simple. Because we are a book broker, okay? We know that if we help you to trade with more capital, you can place larger, bigger trades and manage your positions more professionally. So that means you generate more trading volume. And more trading volume means we earn more from the spreads and we can earn more from the commissions because in the past you were trading with maybe 1,000, 2,000, $3,000, and now you can trade with 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, and more. So at the end, yeah, you have more volume to trade, and we have the possibility to get more on the side of spread and commission. So again, it's a win-win situation for everyone, for the trader, for the copy trader, for the follower, for you as a client, and for the broker. So we are not gambling with your trades, yeah. We are not betting against you. We want you to win. Yeah, we want you to stay funded and keep trading for a long, long term because that's the only way we can grow together. Yeah, together. This is the focus. So, and yeah, why we are not a prop firm? I think this is one of the important things. A lot of people say, "Oh, yeah, you're doing instant funding, so you are a prop firm." No, we are not. Okay, a prop firm is selling you a test. Okay, you have to pay to prove yourself on a demo account, and if you pass, maybe you will get access to funding. Maybe we don't know. Okay, and at TegasFX, at our brokerage, there is no challenge. There is no test. There are no psychologics games. You failed. Yeah, yeah, there's no fail. There's like to pay again. So you have directly instant fund. So you have to provide a security deposit, security fee, and we provide you directly with the real capital. And yeah, we stay profitable together through fair market executions, fair conditions like commission and spreads. And a question which was asking me in the past very often is why did we launch now a welcome fund bonus account? Yeah, this $1,000 account, you know. And this is a question I get asked all the time. So I think the truth is very, very straightforward because it's marketing, okay? We launched this welcome fund as a promotion to attract new traders focused on Africa, yeah, and show them all that our model works. So it's on our way. We are giving people a taste of what instant funding feels like. Okay, so without asking them to commit large amounts upfront, and yes, at the end it's a risk for us, okay, but it's worth it because we believe that once you see how simple and fair our system is, yeah, you will stick with us, okay. So at the end we will see, okay, this is a trust from our side, or we want to trust that you want to trust us, okay, and this is a welcome fund bonus for that. So but I do have to give you one piece of advice, okay, at the end of my part now, because I saw a lot of traders now in the past, a lot of traders from you from Africa, from Nigeria, and I saw, okay, a lot of them didn't know about the rules, okay? So we are not a prop firm, yeah, I told you we are instant funding, but we have rules too, yeah? Only two rules, and these rules are the drawdown rules. Okay, so please listen to me. Um, the welcome fund package and all the other instant funding accounts, they come with clear, simple rules to protect both of us, to protect you and to protect us. So, for example, yeah, we have two important drawdown rules. The first of all is the first deposit drawdown. Yeah, so you must know how much you can lose in overall. And the other one is daily drawdown. So you must respect your daily risk limit. So if you choose an instant funding account with 10% drawdown, you will have a 10% drawdown first deposit overall, and you will have a 10% daily drawdown. So if you choose a 20% drawdown account, you will have 20% first deposit and 20% daily. Okay? It's even the same. Okay? So, but you have to respect your daily risk. What that mean in detail, I will explain you later because actually we will step forward because um, we have to talk about a lot of other things. But at the end of this call, I will explain you again what I mean with daily drawdown and what I mean with first deposit drawdown. Okay? Yeah, so finally, before I hand over, ladies and gentlemen, to sum it up, TegasFX is an established, serious, fully operational, regulated offshore broker with a clear, proven business model. We have a big partnership with one of the biggest banks. We offer you a real market access with reliable executions and opportunity to scale up your trading business, your instant funding business in Nigeria, in complete Africa. That's possible with us, if you work with us. So tonight is all about giving you the knowledge. It's all about to have a look inside our business. So please listen very carefully, ask your questions, take your notes. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to hand over to my next speaker or to hand over to the main speaker back, I think. So, Borut, please continue, or Patrick, I don't know. And I think at the end of this webinar, I will give you some more details about the drawdown rules. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Christian, for your words. That's also not normal. We have here really the co-founder with us. Also, he don't leave Europe in. The most of people, they earn money, they do something, leave Europe in, go to Asia, go to Dubai. No, he stay in Stuttgart, in Germany, his whole life. He stay there with his family, and he's here always with you and with us for questions, helping us, supporting us. Also, when you are a trader, Christian can prove everything. And I see some questions in the chat. Don't worry, guys. We have a pool of traders, a lot of traders with you. Really, we have here experts. They're proving our traders for the track record, what he do in the past, what strategies he do. And we will tell you who is the best for you. Well, for us, it's important to split the risk on different traders, on different strategies, that we have here long time fun for everybody. And yeah, I'm really happy that now the right people coming together. We have the broker bot. They have real trades, a book. It's so important, guys. That's not some platform. They say, yeah, we do trading, but in the end, they hope that you're losing money. Why then the broker earn? We working here with a broker. They are only happy and earning money when we are all profitable. This is also why Chris also helping us, give us suggestions. Why for him is important as our community bring a lot of money, but it's profitable with the money. It makes no sense when we lose money. We don't earn money, you don't earn money. The upline, the trader, nobody. Here's a system. When we win all together. When we lose all together, and all our hard work for the last year is done. This is why we really carefully who traders represent you. We have hundreds of traders behind. They come, hey, can we work with you? Can we do something for your community? No, we say, hey, you can make a test. We test you, our main trader with the 25 years experience, they prove you. And when you are good, we give you some funds from our community. You can connect yourself. And also, when you have a good trader in your community, you know somebody, they're huge, they make a good job over the last 5-10 years. You can send to us, we will make the check, the proof list, we will make some tests with him, and then we can open also for the community. And don't worry, guys, we are now only in the beginning. You open Africa, I think, some days ago. You really something special. It's in the beginning, but we don't be a company they're working only the first weeks, first month. We have here the 9 years experience from Mr. Arnold, and his team and his support, and also our main trader. One of our main traders today, you will see two guys with a lot of experience. And Stefan is 25 years in the market. We will have today only two traders for you, but don't worry. In the next month, weeks, we'll present you more and more and more. You can choose from a lot, you know. But also, all traders have a minimum on investment. Why in the trading business? With some hundreds dollars you don't can work. With some thousand, but more and more capital you give to the trader, that easier he can work and make profits. Profits everybody can do, but the important thing is don't lose the money, the risk management, and this is for us important. Not have 100% this month. Maybe I can also do, but I'm not sure that I have a second month, you know. And for us, it's important that we are working months, years and years with you, and choosing traders that we present you that they have the perfect risk management. And we have here today one guy for you. Listen him carefully. It's not normally that he come in the core, but he have a lot of experience, a lot of big clients. It was a fight to get him in this company, in this business with us together. But he make his checklist, his proof about the TegasFX, about the broker. With them, we are working. As he said to us, hey guys, you found here an amazing company, amazing broker. He is real. He give us more capital. Just imagine, invest some $1,000, get 7 times, 8 times more money. In short time, you also can trade a million account with our strategies. We will explain you also in the next course. And here today is Mr. Stefan. For me, is their guy. They only have risk management in his mind. We don't can lose. We only have a little bit minus. We need that and that. And I love him. Thank you, Mr. Stefan. Also a guy from Germany, live in Germany, have a lot of companies, a lot of experience. And I'm so proudful and thankful that my brother find this contact and bringing with us in the cycle. Thank you, Philip, is my brother, and thank you, Stefan, that you're working now with us. And the stage is yours. Please tell us who you are, what you are doing, and what is important for you, that we have a lot of fun with you by the next month and years.
Yes, thank you very much. A lot of positive words about me. So I will tell you how I can fill this trust you already have given me. So some times ago, you came to me and asked me if I would like to join this team and this project. And I took a look on it and I was surprised because on the first thing was the broker. I checked him out and had also personal calls with Chris, the co-founder who is here, and found that they do very professional work. And this was one of the reasons that I said, okay, I'm taking a deeper look on that. And the idea behind I found I liked very much. And now I'm happy to be a part of this team, let's say. So now I'm one trader of many traders, but I'm giving my experience. And I'm also, as I'm a little bit older than most of you, I also am somebody who gives his experience to other traders, training them. So to build a knowledge pool that is inside this great project. So with my company now, I'm doing trading and market analysis and all this kind of stuff for more than 25 years, and started with a lot of imagination about what could I do, what could be happen, and so on. And I learned a lot of lessons. So you know, success doesn't come from only success; it comes from failure, and you also always have to stand up and learn your lesson to go forward. And in this long time, I learned a lot of lessons. And therefore, today, when people say, "Hey, Stefan, are you a trader?" Most time I say, "No, I'm not a trader. I'm a risk manager. This is my main focus. I only focus on risk because this is the problem. When you're not focusing on that in the markets, then you will lose. When you do your risk management right, when you try to avoid each possible risk, then the profits come from themselves. So this is at least to say my second priority. My first priority is to avoid any risk, to make trading as safe as possible. And the outcome is quite constant profit, where I'm proud and happy about. And doing this in my company now, as I said, for a long time. Currently, we serve a lot of huge clients. We have currently around 50 million assets under management, which we are doing for different brokers and different projects and different clients, also private clients. And now in this project, I love it that we can serve clients with larger amounts of money. So when people normally come to me and say, "Hey, I want you to trade money for me," then I say, "Okay, give me at least 100K, and I can do something for you." But this project, with this instant funding and this great broker, allows also to trade much smaller amounts of money. And therefore, I'm very happy that I can support this project. And I'm also very open for any questions you will have later on. Just take this as small introduction from my side, and I would give the ball back to the leader of this telco.
Thank you, Stefan. Thank you so much for your time, for being here with us. And guys, also we have a surprise. I will tell you later on, but don't worry. He talk about big numbers, 100K and more. But we working the last week where we see the power, the energy from Nigeria, what you bring in, what people you bring in. We're thinking about, hey, we have helped you also with small amounts that you jump in. Also a big thank you to Christian for the offer that we can give you all the $1,000, that you can test, that you can feel, that you can see the withdrawal work, the trading work, everything work. But we have something in the near future for you. Maybe we can present you also today, where you also can start later when you want to open another account, when you want to deposit your money, that you can also choose the experienced traders with small amount, with a family system where you all Nigeria, you all Africa have together. And the more you bring together, we bring together, the more fun, the more safetyness, the more profits we can enjoy together. And I'm so thankfully we working really the last days until 4 o'clock in the morning and calling the trader, calling the broker, what we can do. We need something that you all are happy. And not only people join with 50,000, 10,000, or you can join with 200, 300 and so on. And yeah, we have some nice solution for you. And now I'm really thankful also that the second trader is here, also with his partner and friend Nikki Tashnu, and Dirk is also experienced guy. Dirk is the trader. Nikki will make the translation. He make the marketing. Also, he worked for TegasFX. That's also nice. The trader are on board. He has the experience and he has the partner. They're working with traders. He's an employee for TegasFX. That the communication is really quick. You know, that's really amazing. That we are really deep with each other. And thank you, Mr. Dirk. Dirk also make a good job. He is the gold trader in our team. He makes the gold trading with amazing profits. And also we prove him his track record. He working the last years in this industry, in the trading industry. And yeah, with this solution, he don't have to work for himself, for his money. He can also help us all, while we can copy him. And when he analyze the market and make a trade automatic, our own account, copy this trade, and we can enjoy only our daily profits. And thank you, Mr. Dirk, and also thank you, Nikki. Nikki bring this trader to us. Also with my brother, he find Nikki with a partner, and Nikki show us the amazing trader, Dirk, gold trader. And thank you, Dirk and Nikki, that you are here. I think Dirk will say something in German and Nikki will translate, or maybe Nikki will want to say also a little bit about you and how you bring us together. Thank you that you are here tonight.
Okay, so I will just say a couple of words really quick, and then Dirk will say some words in German. I will translate for you. So welcome from our side. I'm also a little bit part of the affiliate management for TegasFX. So we really like to welcome you here on board. And from my side, I can also agree on every point that Patrick and his brother said. So we really appreciate this company because it's a very serious company. You guys also meet Chris, which is a very reasonable, very competent guy here from Germany, and we really appreciate the work also as a leadership here. So we have also our own structures in Europe and also in some other countries, and we really like the work. And also, like all of you guys, we want to build something long term on this broker. Yeah, and basically the story of Dirk. Dirk, ich mache eine kurze Intro. Dirk and I know ourselves from the sports industry. I was a professional sports guy. Dirk is a professional sports trainer. Very taking care of a very big players team in table tennis, in Germany. And his financial background or his real passion is basically next to the sports, of course, this trading. Here specifically on this broker on the gold field where he's very strong. And now he will say some words to his strategy or to himself, and I will translate for you. Also, Dirk, sag einfach, was ich gerne
Ja,
da
du
sagen
kennst es ja
soll.
schon. Also ich kann es nochmal sagen. Im Prinzip mache ich halt nur Gold quasi. Mache da Zonen-Liquidität-Trading Trading quasi von Zone zu Zone, gucke mir Liquiditätscluster an, Volumen und nehme dann schnelle, kurze Bewegungen mit. Also da sind keine Trades dabei, die jetzt irgendwie 2 Tage laufen, sondern der optimale Trade ist 5 bis 10 Minuten und dann ist das Thema gegessen.
Okay, so basically what Dirk is saying about his trading strategy, specifically on the broker, also on the funding account, one possibility that you can use on the broker if you don't want to trade by your own, if you want to use the copy system with instant funding, that he's only trading gold. Yeah, his strategy consists in basically touching some liquidity zones, which means touching specific zones in the gold chart regarding the volume over there. And the trades are very sharp and very fast. So basically, he's in the market maybe for a couple of minutes, maybe the longest for maybe 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, very rare that the trade is longer than this. And in this short time frames, it's possible to make already some good percentage. Yeah, and the trading consists not in opening hundreds of trades, but making maybe 1, 2, 3 specific trades per day in the trading days and making a good, of course, a good profit over the months. Okay, ja, soll ich noch was sagen zu Tegas oder bist du happy auf Tegas? Sagen wir es mal so aus Trader-Perspektive.
Tegas ist super. Kannst du den ruhig auch nochmal sagen. Also Tegas ist
Okay.
super, alleine mit diesem Funding, halt, dass da einfach so viel Kapital zur Verfügung gestellt wird. Dadurch ist der Profit ja auch viel höher, ne? Weil ich habe ja dann ein höheres Konto sozusagen. Dann kannst du ja auch nochmal sagen, dass wir versuchen, kleine Gewinne mitzunehmen. Also jetzt nicht 1-2% pro
Okay.
Tag, sondern 0,2, 0,3, 0,4% pro Tag ist so das Ziel, ne?
Okay, so guys, some last words regarding also the partnership from traders' perspective for TegasFX. Yeah, so for the trader, it's really interesting to work with Tegas because due to the instant funding, there's a lot of volume generated. So for the trader, it's obviously also really attractive. So the traders are very and highly motivated to give you guys also a good performance. Yeah, so everybody is participating or have a big advantage to the instant funding because the traders are more happy due to the bigger volume. The broker obviously can make commission on higher volume, and of course you as a customer can earn more money due to the higher volume. So it's a win-win-win situation for all the 3 parties. And of course, as an affiliate, like this guy said, it's also really interesting. And the last words from Dirk were that he's looking to make some substantial profits, yeah, not to go like super high risk and blow account, but to really make slow and consistent gains. But these slow and consistent gains are really good profits. We can show you, or the guys like Patrick will show you also the statistics and the tradings and everything, and you will see that from this trading with low risk, there's still a lot of good profits that you guys can do. And Dirk and I, we wish you a lot of greetings from Germany and from Europe.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you that you're here with us. And this is also nice, guys. We have no people that move out of the country where they have problems or financial problems. Or we've taken everybody from us. I stay in Austria since I'm born. Niki and Dirk stay in Germany since they are born. Also the broker stay in Germany. Also Stefan stay in Germany. We have our partner Borut and Michael that stay in Slovenia and Croatia. And you get all our knowledge, all our help. We will also make now supporting calls every night, 9 p.m. We have a supporting call for you. We will have an open call. Everybody can join this call. Ask your questions. We will be here. Me, Michael, Borut, Philip, also Tegas, boss. Christian will be stay with us in this course to helping you. You can share your screen where you have problems. We will make it easy for you that we can. We're also creating some systems behind that you have an easy onboarding. And this is what I like at most here in this project. The problem is in the most project what we was in the past, maybe you also with the 10%, 15%, 20% in the month. Maybe it was not scam, but the trader, they have to make a lot of percentage. And when the traders need a lot of percentage for the network or the community, it's always a big risk. And here we have guys, they're making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7% a month. But you get 7 or 8 times more capital. Means you invest $250, you invest 200 for example, $400, and you get 3,000 real money. Means 7, 8 times more money. And 3,000 then are working for you. And when the trader makes 3% on 3,000, okay, it's nice. But on your 400 investment, it's over 20%. And this is so nice. The trader, they can have an easy job. The only goal is make 1%, 2, 3% a month, where they can sleep good. And with the trader broker option, what we have, that we get more capital on your investment, you make a really nice profit, really nice. And this I love so much. I call it, this project, I call it Sleep Well Product. You can sleep well and wake up and open your website, and the website is not black or closed or scam or anything. This is one of the projects where I bring now my mother in, father in, my aunt, my uncle, my sister, everybody. Why I know it's nice, it's real. We can working here for the long term, and what you need, all the support. Don't worry when you don't understand anything. We will have also the Q&A session from 9. Today we start also from 9 to 10. And then every day from Monday to Friday, we will have the Q&A session, the helping, supporting call, where we are here and helping you make the account with you, connect the account, do what you need, and also helping you to build your network and bringing your friends and family in. Michael, I don't know, maybe you want to say something, or we have the next part.
Yes. I wanted to, we didn't talk about one important person here today also. And this is Mr. Tomiwa. He is the guy, he's the leader that I'm working with already for a few years. We still didn't meet in live, but we are really talking a lot in Zoom and WhatsApp. And I really wanted to thank him for the trust and for the effort and the result that came out of this just a month ago. Less than a month ago we started, and I can only say thank you. Maybe Tommy, you can also have a few minutes till 9 o'clock, and then we start the AMA session, the questions and answers for everybody.
Okay. Thank you very much, Michael. And I really appreciate every one of you on the call, especially the co-founder, for taking time out to join us for tonight's call. And I also want to thank my very good brother, Bots, and all the amazing trader that we have the privilege to meet you guys on this Zoom call. I'm so honored and happy to be part of this project. Just like what Michael said when he mentioned it to me, I find it difficult to believe that this could be real, that there could be a company that will be kind enough to allow people to have like a startup capital for them to start their Forex journey. But when he told me, being an open-minded individual, I tried it and I see that it has a huge potential, especially for my Nigerian brothers and sisters, that this could help a lot of people because of the economic situation we're facing in this country. And the Forex market happens to be the largest financial market in the world. So if a lot of people that have been having the opportunity to educate themselves, to acquire training knowledge about Forex, could have access to some little funds to kickstart their journey, I believe it will really, really help them. And when I got the information, I share with some of my closest friends, leaders around me, and I'm so happy that they still believe in me and took that bold step to give it a trial, because I told them that, look, come to think of it, guys, we have nothing to lose. The company is making us to have an opportunity to partake in the largest financial markets, have access to a startup trading capital, and also connecting us to one of the best traders. Like today now, we saw that Stephanie, 25 years in trading. This is an amazing opportunity to have people like this helping us managing and building our portfolio. So when I heard about this, I said, well, it really worth it to give it a trial. And I share with some of my very good friends. And thank God today we are able to have over 5,000 members in less than, I think I got started on the 17th of last month. I think it's not even up to 3 weeks. And more and more people are joining us. So I'm super excited with the company, with what they are giving us, and also to appreciate all my Nigerian brothers and sisters, including my European friend, because I have some teams also that are not Nigerians that already join us. We have people from Greece, we have some people from Philippines, we have some people from other part of the world that are already taking advantage of this project, because this is what people need at this point in time to help them to kickstart their financial journey. A lot of us have been a victim of here today, gone tomorrow kind of businesses. But thank God now we are having a platform where we can start building up. And within the shortest period we have got started, we have been receiving testimonies. We now have people that have been cashing out up to $20, $30, $100 every day, guys, every single day. And what did they do differently? Not from the profits they are trading with, but from the lots that those people under their organization are creating by connecting with the trading signal provider that are helping us to make it a win-win situation. So, guys, we have a great opportunity at our hand. As you all know that this is the company for now. We're not asking anybody to bring in money. We want you to try it, have the experience, and make your informed decision. Nobody is actually luring anybody into any business. You are adults here, and I want us to behave like one. By making a decision, you will stand for, you will beat your chest for, not later on blaming anybody for a decision an adult made. So it's an opportunity for us to partner with this amazing company. And the good thing is they have been in this industry for over 9 years now, according to what I learned from the co-founder when I actually had the opportunity to talk with them. And they are helping us to actually build our portfolio through the Forex market. The transparency is there. They're going to give you a startup capital of 1,000, just like what we did the last time before it ended, but we're pleading with the management. I believe before the end of tonight, we will have an amazing and interesting update that will make all other Nigerian members happy, because we still have a lot of people that head late and they're still waiting if they could have a few of this 1,000 welcome fund. Thank you guys for this great opportunity. I don't want to keep us waiting, because I know there are a lot of questions that people really want answers for, and I will try and urge you to do your best to help us cover as many of those questions as you can. Thank you guys, and over to you, Michael. You can take it off from now.
Okay.
One question is, I'm finding difficult to verify my account. Here you have to understand that's a real broker with real regulation, with real rules from the market. They are a billion company, you know. We have to upload the documents that they are needed. I also start to talk with the co-founder Christian. Hey, in Africa it's not easy if the address proof. I know that. I'm working also a lot in Africa, but he said, bro, we are full regulated, and we need the bank statement where somewhere where the broker can prove your address. All right, Christian.
Yes, I will give some details about this. But first of all, please give me 2 minutes. I have to get my charger, otherwise my laptop will be off in the next minute.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So then I can explain something about the proof of address, about the KYC. Okay. So give me 2 minutes, please. So you can continue with the next question, please.
Yes. Here was one question. Please kindly, 1 second. Please kindly drop the usernames of the best traders so we can search and subscribe to them and make profits. We will share this in our group. Everybody who is not in our group, we will share this this link. Borut, can you please find this link and share it in the chat? So everybody who is here is in our support group, where we are also the whole day answering questions, helping people to activate, and so on and so on. We are also doing a lot of video materials. Tommy is doing it, and Borut also. And I think Tegas will also join this support with some Q&A in the back office. I think we talked also about this with the co-founder.
And we can also add this kind of video and this kind of tutorials in your own white label system, so that all your clients have the possibility to open an FAQ or to open a video tutorial scene, and there we can put all the materials inside, so that it's easier for all the clients to have an instruction.
Great.
So I have dropped the Telegram link right now. If somebody has not joined it to the group,
please join.
Yeah.
So back to the topic of the KYC and the proof of address. So Patrick told you that we are regulated broker. Okay, that's not the same like any networks or scam in the past. So now you are working with a professional broker. So we have some regulation, and that's not allowed that we can accept every document. So I saw in the past a lot of documents like screenshots from yourself. So hey, that's me. Please verify it. No, that's not possible. Yeah? Or someone took a photo of his house, like a proof of address. So hey, I'm living here. See you. Okay. So yeah, that's not possible. Okay, you have to upload the original documents from your government. So the national ID, okay, but not on a self-printed base. So the original card, yeah, maybe you can take a photo of that or something like that, or the digital one. That's no problem. And for the proof of address, you can upload a bank statement of your bank account, but it's necessary that we can see your address on this bank statement, okay? Not only the name, we need an address. And it don't it must be not older than 3 months, okay? This is necessary.
Okay. So the next question, can we trade on our own experience?
Yeah, sure. If you want to trade on by yourself, and if you're thinking about this, that you are a good trader, yeah, feel free. You can trade by yourself, no problem. Yeah, it's not, you don't have to trade with the copy trader. Yeah, so you can feel free and you can trade by yourself.
But one additional question from me to the people, how much I can lose of this $1,000?
Only the money you had deposit.
Yeah, no. On this, the drawdown, I wanted that you explain that, if I'm trading by myself, what I need to take care of,
Yeah, if you choose a drawdown of 10%, you can maximum loss 10%. So I can explain this in these two different rules. Maybe this is very interesting for you. So I told you we have two rules, okay? These are two different drawdown rules. And let me explain what that means. So first of all, we have the first deposit drawdown. It's an overall drawdown. That means if you start with a capital of $10,000 and you have a 10% drawdown chosen, okay, so you can maximum lose $1,000. So under $9,000, the account is burned. Okay, everything is gone. Okay, this is the overall drawdown. So for $10,000 account, the overall drawdown, the first deposit drawdown is $9,000. Then and now let me explain the daily equity drawdown. Yeah, you can find all this information I'm telling you now on our website. Okay, on our website there is a menu like instant funding, and there are all the rules. Okay, but let me explain why we have a daily equity drawdown in place and why it's absolutely essential for a business model as a broker. So many traders don't realize this, but without a daily loss limit, instant funding would expose us, the broker, to serious systemic risk. So in the reality, it's like this. Let's say you start with a 10K account, okay, with a 10K funded account, and you successfully trade it up to 20K, okay, more than 100%, maybe, okay. So great job at this, but yes, now you have to know that's absolutely allowed. There's no rule against. Okay, you can trade from 10K to 20 to 30 to 50 to 100K. It's absolutely allowed. You are free to grow your account. You are also free to lose it all the way back, complete all the way back down to your first deposit drawdown limit. That means you can grow up your account from 10K to 50K, and you can lose it all the way back down to 10K, 9K. Okay? But at 9K, the account is burned because you lose more than 10%. But however, you are never allowed to lose more than your permitted drawdown amount in a single day. So if you're growing up your account, no problem, it's allowed. But please, please, please take a look at your daily drawdown. And the daily drawdown, it's even the same like the first deposit drawdown. Yeah, 10%, it's 10%. If you choose 20%, it's 20%. So, but why? Why do we do that? Because without this rule, a trader could build extremely dangerous grid systems, pyramid positions, or over leverage the account at a much higher balance level. And if the market moves aggressively, the position size becomes so large that the risk starts working against us as a broker. Yeah? So in high volatility conditions, we may not even be able to close all position at the expected stop out level because we have slippage, liquidity gaps, or execution delays. Yeah, if we have a high volatility condition like FCMO or meeting or some other events. So let me talk about there's any war outside or something like that. Then we have a big higher volatility condition, and then we will have slippage, we will have liquidity gaps, because you have to know we are a book broker, so we are working with a real order book. That it's not B book, that's not demo. Okay, so and in this case we can get massive losses beyond we have pre-calculated as an acceptable risk per client. Okay, so that's why the daily equity drawdown is a hard limit. It protects us from a scenario where we could lose more capital than the trader's original risk margin. So it's not just a rule for the discipline. It's a risk management firewall. Okay, that keeps the instant funding model stable and sustainable for everyone. Okay, so at the end you have to know you can grow up your account from 10K to 20 to 30K and more. Yeah, you can lose everything backwards, back to on the way back to 10K or 9K, okay? But in one day, in one day, you only are allowed to lose the daily drawdown of maximum 10%, or if you choose 20%, then 20%. Okay? This is necessary. Otherwise, we can not do this business over the next years because we will risk our business. Okay? I think, or I hope this is understandable, that you know how we are working. And if you are not sure how high, what was your high watermark on the equity, no problem. You can check this every time in your dashboard. You can have a look in your dashboard. You can click on your account and you will see the high watermark from your account on the daily base. So you can see, oh, okay, my account, my high watermark was maybe from 10K, it was 11K. And then there is a display and you can see how how is your daily equity drawdown. Okay, so you can see, oh, okay, my daily equity drawdown is now maybe 3%, 4%, 5%, and then you will know, okay, yeah, for me, I have to stop my trading today. So because on the next day, yeah, if you grow up your account, on the next day you can lose the same percentage again. So down to the first deposit drawdown. Okay, I hope this was understandable for you. And yeah, let's
Perfect. Thank you, Christian, for this explanation. And also, don't worry, we will make also video explanation. And also, in the next call, we will share the screen and show you where you find this all. But the most of you, I think, you copy a trader, and then you don't have to be aware of it, where the trader do the job for you. But when you make your own trades, you have to be aware of these things. Thank you, Christian. Christian, there's also one question from Albani. He asked how many percent profit we can withdraw. Maybe we explain the free package, the $1,000 gift package, and the normal instant funding package when somebody choose one package, that we don't mix each other. So
Yeah.
how many percent percent profit can we withdraw?
Yeah. So it's up to you how many profit you will make on your account. So if you make 100%, yeah, great job. Though, and if you want to withdraw, you are allowed for the welcome fund package, you are allowed to withdraw 50% of the profit. So it's a 50-50 split. Okay, 50% for you, 50% for us as a broker. So if you are working with the solution we presented to you today on this presentation with Patrick and the traders and Mikhail and Borut, you will have a profit split of 80%. So 80% of the profits made by the copy trading is for you.
Perfect. Thank you for that. Then we have another question for, please, can the platform accept Nigerian as a means of identification?
Tommy, do you know?
What's the question again? I can't find it. Where is the question?
The question is up. It's there. I want to copy him with instant funding account 5K, and then down. Please, can the platform accept NIN? I think Nigerian as a mean of identification.
I didn't get it.
I will copy the question and put again in the chat that you see it. Now it's the last one.
I think Christian.
Okay, what is trying to? Okay. I think I have an idea of what he's asking now. NIA is another means of identification that we use in Nigeria. I think I discussed that with you guys as well. So, and is widely accepted in our country. So we're looking at the possibility of you adding that as part of means of identification, you know. So if the management can accept that, it will make it much more easier for us to onboard more people, because that KYC has been a lot of challenges to people, because there's some people that doesn't have some other, you know, means of identification, but NIA too, they can accept that. Yeah, I think it's better. But maybe you might be requesting for the plastic type. I don't know, but we have the paper type, like a slip, And we also have the one that is made in form of a plastic. So that's what they're actually asking for. If the management can also include that as other means of identification, it will make it much more easier for us to onboard more people on the platform. Yeah. And the other question, people are saying, what trader should we activate with this time? Guys, I want you guys to understand that the company, the management, and these top team guys are on top of everything. Just like what they said earlier, we want to make it a win-win situation for all parties. Either you're a pro trader, you have vast years of experience in forex trading, or you are a novice. But one thing I will plead from every one of us is this, guys. Let us be mature. Let us behave and take good advantage of this. It's not a privilege. You understand? I mean, it's not an entitlement, but it's a privilege for us to have this offer. Please, let's make the best out of it. Don't let us behave in a way that the company will get gets angry with us and cut it off. Remember when we started, some of the attitude of some of our members actually made them to, is one of the reasons anyway, one of the reasons that they had to stop it. And we believe that this could help a lot of people in our country, a lot of people to have something to kickstart their financial journey, a lot of people that have forex trading experience, but they don't have resources, capital to start it. This could help them. So please, guys, we should be patient with everything. The challenges could come. You could have differences on your platform or your system, or maybe one way or the other, you're not connecting well. Be patient with the management, the support to help you out. We don't need to flood the support with unnecessary questions. If you think it's not something you are comfortable with, please, no problem. You can go and enjoy yourself with every other thing you're comfortable with. Let's allow this platform or this opportunity to help and enrich as many people as we can. Because within the shortest possible time we have started, we give all the glory to God. A lot of people has really see the impact in this platform. So guys, after all, they're not collecting a dime from us, and we have nothing to lose. But if you think you are not comfortable, I will beg you in the name of God, just peacefully, don't bother. Rather than coming to the platform and creating negativities on the platform, we wouldn't want that. We wouldn't want that, and will not accept that. Anybody that is found, exercising negativities, I'll bet you we're going to evict them. It's not a must. After all, nobody paid a dime to have this opportunity. So let people that want to enjoy it and take advantage to enjoy it, and it's going to be a win-win situation for everyone else. So for those of you that have experiences in the forex trading, you can go ahead and do the trading by yourself. Because I can see those are some of the questions people are asking. You can trade by yourself if you think you are good enough, but be sure that whatever happens to the trade, you hold yourself responsible. Then we also create another possibility for people that doesn't know much about the industry. So whereby we can leverage on the skills of all these amazing traders they just introduced to us. So imagine you having somebody that has been trading for the past 25 years, handling your trade. Just imagine, what do you think you would have been able to make out of that? That would be very, very amazing. Matthew, if you keep stumbling that your question of disabling your account, we will evict you from this call. If you have problem, talk to the challenge support and they will work on it. We are tired of you repeating the same question all the time. If you're not comfortable, please go, because we didn't put a dime in this program. Please, we don't want negativities on this chat. So back to my explanation. So for those that doesn't have an experience, the company has put it on board themselves to help us out, help us get people that have experience to do the trading for us. What else are we going to ask for? What else? We have a startup capital. We have somebody handling the trade. All we just need to do is to what? Exercise patience and share with other people that are open-minded like you. For those that are closed-minded, let them be. And we can use this to impact as many people as possible if we actually act maturely. So I'm pleading with every one of us, let's take advantage of this opportunity to see how we can start making money from the largest financial market called the Forex market through a platform that has been in existence for over 9 years, and see how it's going to help us to enrich ourselves and also help people around us. So thank you, everybody, for your questions. So these are the things I noticed that people are asking over and over. Then they're also asking, can they be withdrawing as they are making profit? No, there's a rule that goes along with this 1,000 welcome fund. The rule is when you start using it, you can only withdraw your profit once. So the strategy we're advising people to do is allow the experienced trader to manage this fund for us. Help us grow it. You understand? When they grow it to a very reasonable amount, then you can initiate a withdrawal. By the time you make reasonable amount of money, you can reinvest it back into the system and also continue leveraging on this. And for people that want to start withdrawing or having passive income through the trading, you can buy any of our instant funding packages, which you will see on the dashboard. They have different packages that will be coming up, and they'll be updating us on that, which we can start with. The good thing with this company that got my interest is the fact that it's an instant funding concept. This is not a profane kind of concept. So we are not giving you tax that we know you will never be able to meet up with and promise you to give you 100,000, 200,000. It's instant. So different instant packages will be available. And once you have tested the 1,000 welcome fund and you're comfortable with it, making your own informed decision as an adult, then you cannot decide either I want to go ahead and purchase any of the instant funded packages that will be made available to us for you to also have the possibility to be withdrawing it ever and over and over again. So thank you. This is just what I want to address because I can see these are the questions they're asking over and over and over and over and over again. For those other traders that we recommended for you guys, don't just hold on, be patient with us. They are going to make some other announcement, and once we get other good trader, we're going to recommend it for you. But for the algo price action guy, I think he's still doing great. There's a new link we dropped in the group. If you have been following us, please use that link to connect with him while we'll have the opportunity to have Stephen back with us and help us to make an amazing income. Thank you, everybody, for your time, and see you guys in other meetings. I don't know if you guys are still there, but over to you or Michael or any one of you that is available. Please, you can take it up for me.
Yes.
One question. One thing from my side, sorry about that, because I'm open, okay? I'm open for everything. So I would like to help Nigeria to register more easily, okay?
Yeah.
So maybe you can, Tommy, you can explain to me again because I can share this afterwards with my management and to explain again what is the difference between NEN, or I don't know how it called,
NIN.
NIN slip and
Yeah.
NIN plastic card, because
Plastic
actually on our regulation we are only allowed to accept the plastic cards. But if you can explain me what is the difference between the slip and the plastic card, so maybe I can understand this in more detail.
Okay. I think the slip is a form of a paper, a temporary one, because when you go through the process of getting the NIN, most time is not readily available. So they give you a temporary one to hold for a time being when the plastic will be made available. But right now, from what the information I gather, I think people can have access to go and pick it up right now. So, but most people still have the slip with them. And I don't know if the company can take the slip, but I will try to look for a sample of each one of them to show you so that you can look at it and see if it's something that you can.
But everyone in Nigeria has a possibility to get a plastic card, or?
Yes, I think they are distributing it now. Initially, it wasn't wasn't available, but right now I think the government is making it available. I think they are circulating it now. So if you don't have it, we need to just find a way to get it. But I always tell them instead of that, we can as well make use of our bank statement. Bank statement.
Yeah, so I saw, I think a lot of people are now more in the details. So a lot of people uploaded in the past more the bank statements, and this is okay. This is okay for us because we can see the name, we can see the address, no problem.
Yeah.
But a lot of people uploaded self-printed papers of NIN cards, and we didn't accept this. But I will talk to my management. But at the end, if that is possible for you or for all the clients who are now here online in the webinar, please upload a plastic card. Yeah, it's easier because this is no problem.
Okay. I don't actually use it, so I don't really, but some of them are mentioning on the chat that it doesn't have an expiring date. would you accept it like that? Maybe that's one of the reasons why they don't want to accept it, that it doesn't have an expiration date on it.
Yeah,
And
yes. Yeah, because it's not so easy for us to remove this setting, okay? So it's better to put in the date of the registration. So if you registration on today, it's the 3rd July, so please enter 3rd July. So there's no problem. That's not a reason to decline to get declined, but you have to enter any date, okay? It's no problem.
okay. All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
I've got maybe something to tell. I love you all, guys. You know, I am helping everywhere, but please, only in this Zoom, don't send me private messages because I cannot do everything with clicks and listen to everyone, you know. And please join the group, also the Telegram group. There we can help also with Tommy and Michael and all others. Thank you very much. Only this. And I've got a personal question to Stefan. If he has maybe for our guys tested everything what we have talked, if this is maybe some information today we can put it out, or
Yes, I'm sure we can provide any information that are needed. So just let me know afterwards which kind of information is needed, and I can provide it. This is not a problem.
No,
Yeah,
I think you mean we talk about yesterday and the days after that we need a good strategy for the $1,000 account, that we helping the African guy, that you can bring your experience, or by normally Stefan only work with 25,000 account. The minimum what you have to invest is the 25,000 instant funding, and we ask him, please help us. We need a good strategy also for the $1,000 for our for our present now what we're giving out. And you say to us the last day it's looking good, that you can provide something. You have maybe information. Can we offer the Africa or the whole world community the $1,000 account that they can connect with you?
I think yes. I'm quite sure about that.
thank
I
you.
did some testings. They are not 100% finished now, but I'm hardly working on it. And I think that I can provide you with the final result in 2 or 3 days. And I also can give you then the parameters, the profits, the expected profits, and all this kind of stuff. But I'm very optimistic about that. So I think I can provide a solution for that.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Finger crossed. 2-3 days, maybe 4. It doesn't matter, but it's coming. That's the important part.
There's another question. So, Boro, please share again the Telegram link. So I don't know if anyone see that. There's
Yeah.
another question about the liquidity provider. So, yeah, we are working with a lot of tier 1 liquidity providers. Okay, we are working with the largest and most prominent financial institution in the global market. So don't worry about that. Otherwise, we cannot offer such a product like instant funding. Okay. So, but yeah, you have to understand that we are not allowed now here in the call to talk about all the details, to talk about the names and the B2B relationships to our liquidity provider. Yeah, but you have to know we are working with only with tier 1 banks, and we have one of the biggest bank in our back. This is the DBS Bank. And the limit of the amount of the funded amount, there is no limit, okay? Because we are working with real money, so you have to deposit a security fee, and then you will get your funded volume. So if you are interested into upgrade your funded accounts up to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, feel free. Yeah, it's possible. So actually, one of our biggest client in the brokerage, he is trading about 30 or 35 millions funded volume.
35 millions.
Wow. Yeah, and also really good news why you guys making so a huge job, amazing job, bring thousands of people the last weeks in, the last week in, the last days in. Really amazing. I appreciate that also for the key leader, Tommy from Africa. Thank you for your job. I am really happy when we see us live, maybe in some days, some weeks, somewhere. And Christian, do you have, I think, information? We can expand some days more this offer for the people for the $1,000, right?
What do you think? What did you say?
Why some people ask, can we have the $1,000? I make the account yesterday. I make the account today. I think we have some more days where the people can have the present with the $1,000, right?
Yeah, if you are yes, yeah, right. Yeah. If you register until the 1st July, yeah, so it's possible for you to talk to our support, to talk to our live chat on the website, and then there is a list because actually our KYC is under process, so maybe it's up to 24 hours. So, but you can send a message, and then we will check all the details. We will check your registration date, and then we will accept it or accept it not. It depends on your registration date, and then you will get the access to the $1,000 account.
Maybe one question about the reviews. People are also asking for those giveaways that is extended till 31st of July. What people need to do if they want to participate.
The competition or the Trustpilot promotion has been extended until the 31st July at the end of the month. Okay, so now you have time. You have enough time to make your review on this platform, and it's necessary that you make the review with your full name, yeah, with your registered name on the TegasFX platform. Otherwise, we cannot check if you are these people or you're not. So please register with your real name. Yeah. So if it's your name Peter Akunola, please write Peter Akunola. Yeah. Okay. And if it's possible for you, please upload an image, picture of you or a picture of any kind of stuff, because I think this is a reason for more genius or for more authentic review.
Yeah,
So
they've got
only necessary the name, yeah, and the picture.
Yeah, they've got some problems like I have also because I was in a hotel some month ago and I wanted to write a review on Trustpilot and I was there. I've got the pictures, everything, and my review was deleted, you know. And this is a case because people are also asking that the Trustpilot is deleting or kicking off their reviews, you know, and I don't know what to do, but
yeah, there's a solution because if you get an email, yeah, because Trustpilot is a very serious platform. So if you get an email that is not real review, okay, then please you have to reply directly. You have to reply to them and write, hey, sorry, yeah, this is not acceptable. I'm a real client. Here is a screenshot from my dashboard at this company. Then you will take a screenshot from your TegasFX dashboard, yeah, that Trustpilot can see the logo of TegasFX and can see your name and your client ID above, okay? And then send it to, reply to them and write, hey, that's not acceptable. And I will promise you in the next day, the review is online again.
okay.
So maybe you can write this in the Telegram group again, so that everyone is knowing. Okay, if they delete my review, please reply to the mail and tell them, okay, that's not acceptable. I'm a real client. Please give me my review back.
Tommy, can you do that in the group?
What exactly is that? What do you want me to do?
You know we got the challenge, no, not the challenge, but we got some some prize for people who are giving the feedback on Trustpilot.
Yeah,
And
it's a present. It's like a competition. You will get a present from our side. You will get a instant funding account, 10K instant funding account if you write a review on the Trustpilot. Okay, but the problem behind is a lot of these reviews are deleted because I don't know. I think Trustpilot is thinking these are not real clients. This is like a scam or something like that. So the client have to reply directly to the email and have to send them, hey, please, please, I'm a real client. That's not acceptable that you delayed my review because I'm a real client and I can prove that. And then they should send a screenshot from the dashboard, who Trustpilot can see, okay, this is a logo, there is a logo from TegasFX, this is the dashboard, and they can see the name and the client ID. Yeah, send this back, reply to them, and then I think 1 day, 2 days, the review is back again. It's online again, yes.
Okay. You mean that we should share the information on the group, right? Is that what you're saying?
yeah.
Okay, I will look for it. It has been shared earlier, but I will look for it. But is the promo still running? Because based on the last information we shared with them, it's supposed to have ended by 1st of July. Can they still continue to leave their reviews on Trustpilot so that somebody can be a lucky winner of the 10,000? Because I want to win that money myself.
Yes, it was extended till 31st of July.
Okay.
Only this was changed. Everything else is the same, but you need to have a real name and so on that we can really track that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then one question for Chris. Is it possible to upgrade our 1K welcome X to a higher amount?
No, that's not possible because there are different accounts or packages. So yeah, technical wise, it's not possible to upgrade that. So, but you can withdraw your profits from the welcome fund and can use this because the profits will be sent after your withdrawal will be sent to the internal wallet on TegasFX back office, and then you can use this, yeah, to open a new instant funding account, maybe 1K, 3K, 5K. Okay.
Yes, there's also another question. The 1K and 3K instant account is no longer available for purchase. I think we open again, right, Chris? It's have to be in the back office.
I have to check. Otherwise, we can do that, no problem, anytime. So, or if there's any necessary account size for the community they need it, it's no problem. Contact me, and then we can put that online.
Okay, yeah. Please check that this in our back office, the 1 and 3K. When not, please do it live again. Then you can purchase the 1 and 3K again. Okay, guys. There's another question from Joseph. Do you know? Do you know if the question was, what is the liquidity provider of the
Yeah,
broker?
I answered that already.
Okay, and there's a limit of amount of funded
I
account.
answered it too, yeah.
Okay, check it. Your answer already. Can we have 5? Some guy asked, can we have 5 and 10K instant funded of 15%?
Why? 80% is much better.
Yes, we have in the back office, but we do it out where we have so much packages for make it easier and simpler. We only have the 10 and 20% now in, but when you can explain why you need exactly that, yeah, maybe we can opening. That's will be not the problem, but normally the 10 and 20% are better.
It's yeah, it's already possible to activate this for individual person. So if someone is only interested in this package, I can activate this for this individual person. Okay, there's no
Oh,
problem.
perfect. Perfect. Please, how we can get the presentation slides. You will find in the Telegram group. Your key leader will share with you. I think it's already in the Telegram group inside.
Chris, one more thing people are asking, just to be sure, I think you mentioned it, but they just do one more clarification about the 1K welcome fund. That is it still going to be available? And if it's going to be available, is it the normal process or they need to contact the support to have access to it? So they just want more clarification on that.
Okay. Yeah. In total, we have a limit. Okay, we have a limit for all our clients worldwide. So, and the limit for the $1,000 welcome fund package is reached. Okay, for Nigeria. So if you register your account um, up to the end of the month in June, the 30th June. So you are allowed to get access to this account, okay? So if you have actually not an access or if you don't see this package in your dashboard, but you register until the last day of June, please write a support ticket or write to our talk to our live chat support, and then you will come to an or your client ID will come to a list, and we will work on that, and then you will get access in the next hours. Okay, then you will see this package in your list because in total, yeah, we reached the limit for Nigeria. So in total, this is not available. Yeah, you cannot see this in your downline now, but if you are allowed to have it because you register before the 1st July, it's possible for you.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Can I maybe tell something? Many questions are coming in. Please, which trader are we supposed to use now since the other one is not working again? We need to clarify something because traders are not trading 24/7 every single second because the market needs to be analyzed and the system need to open the trade and close the trade. Therefore, if you have connected whatsoever different systems, it doesn't matter. Maybe the system will start overnight, or maybe one trade per day, or maybe two trades per week. It doesn't matter. But when it's traded, you will see directly on your account on the MetaTrader 5 when you can log in and check everything. That's one thing. The second thing is there are also questions, Chris, the same one what we have already taught, but maybe one more time we can go through this drawdown. Please explain how the drawdown works. What if I make extra 10% on the account? Will my daily drawdown increase, or I still have to maintain, and so on? It's the basic question, but I think maybe we need to
First of
tell
all,
that.
First of all, maybe someone feel free in the chat to share the client ID with us or with me, because then I can share my screen and I can show you how it's looking or how it looks like in our dashboard. Yeah, because you can see if you have an instant funding account, you can see all details in our dashboard. How is your high watermark? How is your drawdown working? There's a display. Okay, so if someone will share the client ID, I can show it live, maybe. Otherwise, I will explain the daily equity drawdown on my whiteboard.
Okay, I will give you the host now.
Yeah. Is there anyone who wants to share? No. Okay. Yeah. One second.
And maybe if we don't need Stefan and Dirk anymore, they can, I don't know, they got work to do or not, or they can be till the end because we know it will be in the morning.
Yes, so guys, when you have some specially questions about the traders, the trading from Dirk and Stefan, please ask your question now in the chat. Then they can stay a little bit longer. We can go forward with these questions after Christian make now the explanation with the drawdown. So when you have any question about trading or the traders, the two guys they are here, please ask your question in the chat. Thank you, Chris. You can go forward.
Okay, I think there's a question most people normally ask in respect to the traders, and thank God we have them here, in respect of their performance fee. People normally ask that the performance fee, is it charged only when they are making profit or is charged whenever there's a trade? So I don't know if the traders that we have here can help us put some clarification.
Please don't draw on the whiteboard, please,
Yeah,
please.
Stefan, please, maybe you can unmute yourself and answer the question how you handle this with the profit share. I think you make it totally fair for everybody.
Yes, sure. So the principle behind the profit sharing is the high watermark principle, which means if I make profits, I'm getting a profit share. If I have a drawdown afterwards, and then I recover this, I will not get anything. I will only get profit share when I reach new highs in the profit. So that means only when the account of the client is growing, I'm getting a profit share. So this is fair for everybody because I am paid when I make profits for the clients.
Okay.
And if I would not be able to make these profits, then I wouldn't get nothing. It's called, you can Google it, it's called the high watermark principle,
Okay.
which means only when the account reaches new highs, I will get my profit share.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And also that
Thank
you
you for that
know he
clarification.
only charge one times a month. Means when he
Oh,
makes some profits today and tomorrow he lose, he don't charge for this day. Only one times a month. When
yeah.
the account is in profit, he charge. When he is a little bit in minus and he makes some profit trades, he charge nothing. Only when is the account grow and grow and grow. This I think is really really fair from you guys. Thank you for that.
So for the explanation, drawdown, drawdown, drawdown. So let's start with a 1000K account. And in this case, we successfully traded up to 2K, yeah, in one day. So one day it means from 12 a.m. to p.m. So between 24 hours, yeah, it's based on server time. Server time, it's on the server time on MetaTrader 5. So if you yeah trade it up to 2K, so your daily high water mark on the equity base is now, please don't draw on the whiteboard, thank you, otherwise I cannot explain this. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Okay. Please don't draw, okay? Thank you. So yeah, so 2000K is now the high watermark, okay? The daily high watermark. Everything is calculated on the equity. So now the system knows, our system knows, our security system knows, okay, your daily equity high watermark is 2000K, $2,000. Then you are allowed now to lose 10% from this $2,000. So you can go down maximum to $1,800 because 10% of 2,000 is 200. Okay.
Okay.
If you're going under this 1,800, yeah, you crash your account, you burn your account because this is against the daily drawdown rule, okay? So Please aware of this, okay? So you can grow up your account, yeah, and you can fall down, no problem, but please aware, yeah, to your daily drawdown limit. So otherwise, so now listen, please. If you hedge your account here on this, maybe on an equity base of 1,850, or you close, yeah, if you hedge or you close all the positions, and the end of the day is now server time, yeah, 12 p.m. to a.m., then it's a new day, okay? Then at the new day, the system is looking, okay, what's your high water mark now? So if you hedge the positions or you close all your positions, your new daily equity is 1,850. And now you can lose 10% of this equity. So, okay, so if you trade your account up at this day, maybe to 3K, then the system is knowing, okay, your daily equity drawdown, your daily equity high watermark is 3K. From 3K, only allowed to lose 10%. And this is from day to day to day. So the system is checking every day in a second, in a period of seconds, what is your daily equity, not your balance, okay? It's not, depends not on close position. It depends on the equity, okay? So the equity is floating, okay? So did you understand this? Is this understandable for you? Okay, so if you trade up your account from 1K here, yeah, maybe to up to 10K, no problem, no problem. It's allowed to fall down again to 900. It's okay, but not more than 10% per day. So if you check, oh shit, I'm losing more than 9% now, huh? There is a limit up to 1%, or this it's not possible for me to end this day profitable. Please close all your trades, or otherwise please do a hedge position so that you are in both directions, short and long. Then you can wait after the server time, yeah, in the next morning, next day, and then you can continue with your trading, because then you are allowed to lose 10% again, up to 10%, not 10%, up to 10%. Okay? But I think everyone who is trading on a professional base will know that if you lose more than 10% per day, sorry, then you are a shit trader, because that's not a professional. We call this gambling. If you lose more than 10% per day, or maybe if you choose 20% drawdown, then the daily drawdown is 20%. If you lose more than 20% per day, sorry, that's not Forex trading. Then you can go to the casino. Yeah, this is gambling. So, okay. So, but everyone, it's not, I will show you this again. Maybe I will choose any client. 1 second, please. Maybe I can show something in the dashboard, because every client who is using our instant funding can see that in detail in the dashboard. So please give me a second. 1 second, 1 second. I have to search for a client who is working with this $1,000 account and always working with instant funding. Okay, this is not a good example because there's no trade. So if we want to continue with another topic, please do that. I'm searching this while for a good example.
Okay, thank you. One guy is asking, but I also answering, but I will answer also here for the other people. If my account grow to 1,000, my $1,000 account grow to 3,000, how much he can withdraw? Then you can withdraw 2,000. 50% of the 2,000 come to you, 50% to the broker, So you get $1,000 for you in your wallet. The amazing thing is, with this $1,000, you can purchase a new instant funding package. For example, you can just purchase one 5K and one 2K. So out of the 1,000, you make 7,000 instant funding for you to trade. So you don't work anymore with 1,000, so you work with 7,000. And on your own purchase, on your own package, you have the 80-20% rule. Means you make 10,000 profit, you can withdraw 8,000 and 2,000 go to the broker. So I'm looking for another question. Yeah, Matteo, Chris will show you that. Matteo asked, we need a live report of the drawdown. Chris will now log in the back office and show you where you find that, where this is all in the back office, that you see how much is your drawdown, how much is the risk. Some guy asked, can you withdraw before 30 days? With the testing package, with the WorkCom package, you can withdraw after 10 days. And with the instant funding, what you purchase with your own money, you need to wait 30 days.
Yes, 10 days.
Also 10 days?
No, 10 days. 10 days with the normal instant funding, yeah, and 30 days with the welcome fund.
Yeah, I mixed it, sorry. With the $1,000 WorkCom package, you have to wait 30 days that you can withdraw. And with the normal instant funding, when you purchase a $1,000 free 5, 10, 100,000 package, you can withdraw after 10 days. And then after these 10 days, you can withdraw also every day, every hour, however you want to do that.
Kann mir jemand mal eine Freigabe geben?
Wer ist denn der Host? Borrowed your back?
Ja,
Ah,
warte
okay.
eine Sekunde. Hm.
Da fragt jemand, if you have reached the limit for Nigeria, how about... yeah, maybe I should explain this in detail. The limit is reached for this Africa downline structure here, okay, from Tommy. So, yeah, this is not possible. Sorry about that. But I can promise you, if we see that there is a follow-up now, so clients using this possibility, this option to build a business with Forex trading and deposit money and open accounts, instant funding accounts, I will promise you we will repeat such a promotion, okay? But first of all, we have to see that there is a business, that there is building a business. Because, please, you have to know. Do you know how much money that is, or how much money that costs for us to give some promotion? Yeah, this is a risk of $100 per each client. So now you can check if we give them over 5,000 people, 5,000 people multiply with $100, it's a lot of money. Okay, so please be patient. Yeah, we will repeat this in the future. So now I will show you about the details for the drawdown. So please listen to me. Okay, if you are logged in your dashboard, yeah, please click here in the instant funding menu. Yeah, it's very important that you have to know all the details are here in your instant funding menu. So please click on active accounts, okay? And then you will see your active accounts, and there is the welcome fund package, okay? Then please click on it, okay? Click. So now will open a page with a lot of details, okay, about your trading. And here you can see these are the important information. Your daily equity high water mark. So this shows you, okay, what is my daily high water mark from this day? Okay, in this case it's 1000.71. And then there's your equity and your balance. And here is another information for you, the daily equity drawdown. This shows you what is your daily drawdown. Now, the daily drawdown at this account is 0.15%. Okay? So you can see at any time, if you log in into your dashboard, and you don't know what is your drawdown, but hey, sorry, if you are a trader, you should know what is your drawdown. Sorry about that, but yeah, this should be necessary if you want to be a professional. But if you don't know what is your daily drawdown, please log in into your account and check it, okay? You can see your high watermark from this day. Yeah, it's only 24 hours, okay? From midnight to midnight. And then you will see your daily equity drawdown. Yeah? So everything you want, you have to know about your trading, you can see here in the account details. Okay, so I will explain again. Here, instant funding menu, click on active accounts. Then there are all your accounts in this list. Please click on this account, okay? And then you are inside the account information, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you for the explanation, Christian. I check some questions.
So please join in our Telegram group. Yeah. So it's better for you to get all the informations. I will send the link because we will give you the option to join to our Q&A calls now from Monday to Friday, every day, 5 days per week at 9 p.m. German time and 8 p.m. Nigeria time. I think so. Oh, yes.
Right, yes.
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, there's one more question. They're coming several times. So when somebody make their account before July, end of June, but they don't be able to complete the KYC, they are still qualified for the 1,000, right? They have now
right.
writing the support, make the KYC done, write the support, and then they will get access to the $1,000 welcome package.
Yes, this is right. This is actually right.
Okay, perfect.
So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to doing big business here in Nigeria. So we are from the broker. We want to grow. We want to grow with you together. So we are looking forward, and we are thinking about to open an office in Lagos, or I don't know where, but we are looking forward. So yeah, I think this will be a great business in future.
Yes, perfectly. And also, I repeat, guys, the offer is now over, but some of you, thousands of people, get the $1,000. Please enjoy, please test, make your withdraw, and then when you find the trust, purchase a package, try with $1,000, 3,000, 5,000 instant funding. That's 200, $500,000. And give the other people the chance, right? When now the brokers see we working hard, we push now, also deposits are coming, we will fight for sure for the rest of Africa that we get another offer, another welcome package in the near future. But now we have also to show that we are interested in the product. We will use the product for sure. We are in European Explode already, and now we help you also in Africa to build your teams, bring your friends and families and partners in. And yeah, let's enjoy a nice future together. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
from
you,
our
Chris.
side, we must now see that a business is created here. Okay. Then there will be a promotion. Again, I promise it. So we must now show to the broker, to our management, that Nigeria or complete Africa is ready for this instant funding business, is ready for deposit money to start a business. Because if you want to start a business, you have to invest. Yeah, this is a normal process. But you saw this in the presentation. Yeah, you can invest 100, 200, $300, and you can start a big business for your future for the next 10 years, 20 years, and so on. So please show us that you are really interested in to do business with us, and then I will promise you we will do a promotion, a welcome promotion again.
Yeah, there are two important questions. Thank you, Chris. Some guy asked for the Bait Instant account. After the first withdrawal, will be the account closed like by the free account? No, guys. When you purchased your own instant funding package for $250, the 1K or other packages, there is lifetime withdrawal. You can buy one times your package and can withdraw every day. After the 10 days, they will be never closed for you until you reach the drawdown. But you working with experienced trader means you buy once and enjoy this for the next years, and you can withdraw your commission and upgrade a new package and make it bigger. So you have the chance, maybe in some years you have 100,000, 200,000 in the trading, and you can live a really, really good life about that. Another question, maybe Borut, you can show the slides with the commission plan. Some guy asked, please talk a little bit about the partner commission. This is here also really nice. We have here some commission. Deposit commission means every time a member in your team purchase some package, you get instant commission stuck on your wallet. You can withdraw any times with cryptocurrency, with USDT, or you can also withdraw on your bank account. For sure, USDT is faster when you want to do that, or direct on your bank account. And
Patrick, yeah, he's got muted. He's can I get the
He's
host?
back. He's back.
okay.
Okay, I have a question that somebody said to me that if somebody purchase a funded account or package, can they have access to Stephanie to help them with the copy trading? Because for what you said, I think he's doing a minimum of 25,000. But let's say, for some example, somebody purchased the one of 1,309, which has a 20% drop down, or 5,000. Can he have access to the copy trader like Stephanie because of his year of experience, and he wants him to help him with the trading? Can he have access to him?
Yeah, this is maybe one thing for Stefan, but we have already talked about that because there are different strategies. They need some bigger amounts of money, because if they want to work properly on this market, the volume needs to match the strategy. And what we have already, if you will share also the slides with people, you will soon see in, I don't know which slide it is, there are some strategies in it. The shield strategy is one of them, but for them it works perfectly with 25,000 onwards and more. By Dirk, who is making gold. We all know gold, to trade gold on small accounts, it's really a suicide mission. Therefore, Dirk has 20% drawdown and minimum $5,000 in the account to be traded. But more it is, then better can also the traders perform with those strategies. Therefore, shield strategy, what Stefan has, he's building and will open soon, what he has told us some half hour ago, for those small accounts, 1,000 and onwards, that people can join also the shield strategy. And after that, when the people are really profitable, when they are getting in, and when they are making their withdrawals or something like that, they can then choose the bigger accounts and also purchase a bigger account, what already Patrick said to them. And definitely, Tommy, we will do whatever is possible to really help those small accounts also with correct strategy. Therefore, we got also the algo strategy. People are telling that he's not trading, he's trading. I personally have him on. Therefore, but he's not trading 24/7, what I have told to everyone 1 hour ago, maybe. Therefore, this thing we will do, and we will manage also with those traders that the people can start. People can start with those smaller accounts, but after that, when they are comfortable and they want to start with bigger accounts, they can purchase them. And yeah, hope this question is then solved, Tommy.
All right. Yes. Thank you very much.
So if there is no more questions.
So based on what Chris just said, we should be hopeful that the welcome offer will be back soon once there are a lot of activities on people purchasing much of the instant funding, right?
Yeah, I don't know. Or maybe Chris, Patrick has also written it in German. But okay, those solutions what we have thinking about, it's on the table already. You are discussing this with the company, with CEO, and you know what I'm talking about with those with pool trading or something like that.
Okay.
Can you just repeat? Sorry, I was
Yeah, not a problem. We have discussed also for those little amounts of money that we are going into a way where people can go, like, I don't know, a pool trading where people 10, 20 people got directly one big funded account, something like that. Is this offer already on the table by CEO?
This offer is already on the table. We can only do that about the leader. So it's possible if someone is collecting this money in our dashboard. So you can handle this like this. So there are maybe 2 or 10 people who deposit $20, okay, in their account. And then we can pool this, yeah, in one account, and then we can then one of them can open a bigger instant funding account, and then they can, if they have profits, they can separate these profits, and we can do internal transfers, yeah, back to the individual person accounts. So then they can withdraw them.
Yeah, this is one solution we have talked already, that many people can join even if they don't have huge amounts of money, and that we are making some let's say pool trading or something like that. I don't know. This is not a PAM account or something like that, but a instant funding account, and also the profits are being then split with those people who are in this let us say pool. It's
It would be,
maybe
yeah, this is
better.
it would be like a easy PAM solution, okay? Because with the PAM, it's not easy to work like instant funding. But if you have a group of people who don't have the situation, or it's not allowed for the people to deposit so much money, no problem. They can collect that with other people. They can use one account, and then after that, they can share the profits for each other for the individual accounts. But also we can talk about with this yeah, practice in detail. So I think there is a solution, yeah, to get every client inside, maybe with $10, $20.
Perfect. Tommy, you know, or we can make another call and we can go these steps maybe after the Zoom or maybe tomorrow, doesn't matter.
Okay, no problem. But I just want the management to help us look at ways that will be much more easier for people to onboard and take advantage of the experience of the traders and also leverage on the platform. For example, if they can just bring the welcome fund for maybe even just for the 8 hours, just for the 8 hours, then the funded account, they can help us have the one that could have like small startup fee, maybe $100, $500, $200, $50 that could give like a 3,000 funded account for 15 to 20% to drop down. I'm just thinking for a way to just allow people to test the platform. Why am I saying this is because a lot of Nigerians have had experience with different broker platforms, and a lot of them didn't live to expectation. So because you are still new on the market, they might still have their reason to be skeptical, or maybe they want to try it and see how your platform is quite different from others. So if you could have a very easy entry, for people to test the platform, I think that could encourage them. Let's say, for example, a $50 or $100 that will give you like 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 funded account with 20% drop down. They try it and they see that it's working. It will motivate them more to want to try with other higher packages, since that will give them that opportunity to be withdrawing instantly. People don't want to wait until when the account is built up to 2x, 3x, 4x, 10x, or 20, 30x, like the 1,000 funded that you offered us. But they will prefer to start with something small. And once the trader is helping them to make something reasonable, they can have that flexibility to withdraw whatever they want to withdraw. I think if we can have that, it will be a good stepping, ground for people to kickstart, test the platform, build trust,
Sure.
build courage, and be confident to work with you. Then they can try with other things to know how it works. That's just one area which I think I will encourage you to look into, because honestly, the economy in this country is not too friendly right now. But my people are very energetic, kind of entrepreneurship mindset Nigerians. Nigerians anywhere you see them, you see the action in them. And for these few weeks in the chat, in the Telegram group, you can actually confirm that, can see the energy, the excitement, the aggressiveness, and that's what makes us unique from other tribes in the world. So if the management could please consider that. I think I've discussed it with Chris again, but I just want to share with you to remind you once more. The entry, the onboarding process is the most important. If that could happen, I think we could have, a good business here, to be honest with you. Because $1,000, $2,000 in our own local currency here, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money that an average individual will be difficult, a little bit to raise that amount. But if you can have a smaller package, they can come in with $50, $100, get certain package with good drop down just to test the waters. I believe that will really encourage a lot of people to come on board. And you'll be shocked with the kind of volume and attraction this will bring for us. So please help us consider that, because why I jump at this opportunity to be part of it is because I see it as a vehicle that could help us empower a lot of people. The economy is not smiling. The policy here by the government is not actually, encouraging, but we are people that are not lazy Nigerians. We always try to strive on our own to get things done. And opportunities like this could help thousands, if not millions of Nigerians, if we can have a very flexible entry level. That's what I'm just playing on their behalf of everyone. So that
Yeah,
would
I promise you, we are working on this. Yeah, we are working
okay.
on the lower entry for the deposits, and we are working for a lower and easier entry for the KYC. Okay, I promise you, we will check this internally, and I will give you feedback. At the end, I will also bring one of our employees here a little more into focus because
Okay.
yeah, he also knows a lot about Nigerians because he has a wife from Nigeria. So he also offers
Okay.
his
Okay.
support. Okay, it's an employee here from TegasFX. His name is Matthias. I think he's actually in the call still right there. But yeah, he is working on our trading side. Okay, not on the trading side from a trader. So he's like a head of trading in our system, in our brokerage. But he have a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and he's also thinking about maybe to visit you too in Nigeria, because yeah, he has a Nigerian wife. So
yeah, we'll be happy to have him with us. We'll be happy to have him with us. Yeah.
yeah. And he supports me in all the things about yeah, the NINs and something like that, because
Oh,
you have
okay.
more knowledge than I, yeah. So yeah.
All right. So
Okay.
please help us think towards that direction, and let's have a positive feedback. I think that will really, really help us a lot. And you'll be shocked with the kind of volume and the way the Nigerians are going to really welcome that. I can bet you on that. So, but to start with those bigger package right now, it's not everybody that could have that financial strength right now, to be honest with you. But when they test the waters and they see that it works, at least they can help kickstart and build something reasonable. You'll be shocked, because they would have built trust, they would have see how it works, and they would have seen that this company, even when they didn't even know us, have actually given them good offer, like the welcome fund that you gave. Within that alone, we have over close to, I think, 5,000 members already. And just imagine by the time people start trusting it, leveraging on those that are our signal providers, and making daily, weekly withdrawals, money they can use to pay bills, do some other things, have easy cash flow through the Forex market. You yourself will be tired of Nigerians. We are very, very always at work when we see good opportunities. You understand? The only thing is, you have been a victim of scams in the past, and people are being careful. They are being watchful, and we don't want to be a victim. We just want to do things the right way. And because this has to do with Forex, we can see the transparency that is truly there's a trade that we can monitor. Everybody is so comfortable with it, but help us to have that first easy entry, to build trust, to build confidence, and for people to at least build some reasonable amount of money. If they can make 20x, 30x with an instant funding that they started with $50, $75, $100, and have good drop down, they're making good money, I can bet you with time, why wouldn't they want to go for the 1,000, for the 5,000, for the 20,000, even 25,000 later? You understand? But you want to start somewhere and see how it works and grow it with time. Are you getting it? So that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for your time. And
Thank you
this
for your time. Thank
Yeah.
you for everyone who's joining us here in the call. Thank you very much. So yeah, I'm out of order for today too, because now it's very late in Germany. So I'm looking forward to everything that it's coming here. Let's step on the gas. I wish everyone now a great evening, and we will see us in the Telegram group. Okay.